What's going on, guys? It's Roller89 here. I got a new controller, digital flysky thing. It is the gt3b. I'm going to go ahead and open it up here and see what we've got. Oh, I gotta flip it. Hold on. There we go. Move that. So let's see what we've got. Mind you, this is cell phone quality. I'm going to try and do this one-handed, so just bear with me. For starters, we've got the book. We don't need that right now. Let's open this up. Oh, there she is. We got, oh, there goes the box. Receiver with it. Okay. Transmitter, receiver, whatever the hell it's called. And here is the radio. Let me pull that out. One-handed here. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna hold on. That's my old one. Oops, the box. All right. So pull that. Here's this. Nothing will work with me, guys. Check it out. Okay. Throw that out of the way. So here she is, guys. She has a 3-channel. Pretty cool looking. Little antenna here. Flips up. I'll make another video once I get the batteries and bind her to all my vehicles here and see how I like her. So until the next time, guys, Roller89, peace.